Yo guys, what's up? Shadow here, and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. Righty, today we are building. What are we building? A vehicle of some description. Mainly, it's going to be a vehicle to scout for cobalt. That's going to be its only purpose. And yeah, it should be fairly easy to do. I'm still kind of scared of these lightning strikes, not gonna lie. Okay, so first let me just set up a little bit of a framework here. And we're gonna make this a little bit bigger than it's, well, let's say than it needs to be. Because we're gonna fit this with a lot of solar panels and batteries, so it can basically function independently from any other power source. So if this is gonna be the base here, let's get a cockpit. This one. Then I'm gonna actually, this is gonna be like the top right here, I think. Well, if I do, if I make this the top, I'll have to put it a little bit further up, because otherwise I won't be able to actually put on the wheels and everything. So there we go. That's gonna make it a little bit easier to work on. So let's get these bad boys. Careful not to cut the wrong thing. Okay. Right. So let's put in a cockpit like so. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna just add more plates here. Not this one though. That, so we have a stable core frame, so to speak. Let's do that. A bit awkward because I basically just came out of creative mode with mods and did something else, something not related to this. And now I'm kind of trying to drag, you know, to create multiples, but yeah, not gonna work like that. Okay, now we'll have to get wheels, and I'm gonna try and space them out quite far actually. Also, I'm gonna weld these real quick so I'm not accidentally covering them up. There we go. I'm gonna try a little bit of a weird design, something I normally don't do. Let's see, if we put a wheel here, how can we space this? Like 1, 2, 3. Is that okay? I think that's fairly okay. Yeah. So it's gonna take a bunch of steel plates, but that's fine. We do actually now have quite a good amount of steel plates. Then we'll start to drag these downwards, and then we'll attach the wheels to those once we get them like a little bit more towards the ground. Now this will have the effect, if I'm doing it like this, this will be a very interesting effect that the wheel's gonna be spread out to the side quite well, which should help me with the problem of tipping over, but also having basically the like completely emptiness down here. It's also gonna make it easier navigating, and I should not get caught on stuff. Also, it should be a little bit lighter than making it a solid frame thing. I'm gonna take them down 2 more. Or one more, rather. So I'm on the same height as the cockpit's bottom here, essentially. So, now it's going to be a bit of a fragile thing. So if this would not be a good combat vehicle, because it could easily get its wheels shot off without too much trouble. Now, oh, there's this big ass sandstorm going on right now. Oh jeez. Okay. So, oh god. With these ones, I'm never sure which way around they're supposed to be. I think it's supposed to be like that. No, that's wrong. Also, this is a small wheel. That's not the one I want. I want the 3x3. There we go. So like, no, the yellow part needs to go up. There we go. So this should make it a very interesting vehicle to drive, I hope. Also safe enough to drive. Also, just for an RPG bonus, you can actually walk under it and use it as a shelter. In a storm like this, that might not be the dumbest idea. But yeah, there you go. Draw these down as well. And then on the underbelly here, we can still put on some, like, things that we need. Maybe an antenna or a beacon, rather. Not an antenna. Antenna's a bit too much resources for the stage we're at the moment. But yeah, a beacon. We can put some cargo containers and the ore detector. We can put all of these down there. Ooh. Oh, there's one coming down quite near. We might want to check that one out. Why not? Also, that storm is really picking up now, which means probably this thing is gonna take off any second, but the solar panels are probably not doing too well right now. Okay, I'm just gonna charge energy, and then I'm just gonna go towards that signal real quick because it's so close. It's 450 meters away. That is like nothing, right? We can see it easily here. Oh, ooh, I overshot. Massively overshot. There it is. Come down to Papa. Oh, an engineer plushie. Oh, that's cool. I like that. The credits, you know, I don't really need those. Did that do anything? Now it is. Cow suit. Always get these. Okay. I mean, we can take it apart for sure. It's not gonna really give me the good components, but you know, it is how it is. I'm not gonna complain about some extra free resources coming our way. Okay, back to our vehicle. God, the lightning strikes are even closer now, it feels. Ugh, I do not like it. Okay, time for the wheels on this side. There we go. Okay, this is going to be the basis, and then there's going to be solar panels on top of it. Basically, there's always like a solar panel, I think takes 5, so we can have one here. Or like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's the wheel, and then one. Okay. I'm pretty sure I cannot space this, the solar panels in a smart way. Or can I? If we put one here, it's gonna take up this, right? Now I'm not too happy with the way I space this. Let's just grab one of those, shall we? Can put one over here, and then we'll have one gap and then one over here, so we can easily put 4 solar panels down. Which, or maybe even 6, depending on how we space it. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. What did I wanted to do? Oh, I think I just wanted to start welding stuff. Yeah, sure. Let's do that. Start with these rather delicate appendages. Not sure if that's the right word, but you do know what I mean, right? The thing is, good. When space engineers normally, I think if you would build a vehicle like that in real life, these things would snap off immediately. But I think in space engineers, it's just fine. Just by the way, the physics engine works in this game, it's fine. There you go. You know what? I'm gonna hop on top of it real quick. Right. Right. Done. And let's just do the top here as well. I mean, we're not actually using up resources. I just wanted to say, let's just use up our resources, but these are already paid for. That's right. I'm already kind of thinking about a name. There's like the obvious names, like Sandcrawler and Centipede, or, well, it's more like a 1, 2, 3, 4. Octopede. No? Decapede. That's 10. So yeah, Decapede would be a very scientific name. Although it doesn't have feet, per se. I don't know what the Latin for wheel is, so we cannot go there. Alright. Yeah, I think afterwards we'll just slap on the solar panels and see how we end up, with what kind of balance we end up. But then again, the solar panels, at least at the moment, are not going to be of much use, unfortunately, in that storm. It's a bit of a shame. Also, I think I'm going to slap on as many batteries on this as I can, so it, you know, it can really go the distance if it needs to. But that also obviously means that it will have to charge a lot longer if it's empty. Okay. At least the steel frame, we're pretty much done at this point. Obviously the wheels are going to be a bit annoying, but that's probably what takes the most resources out of everything. But yeah. And the cockpit. Okay. There you go. Right. Solar panels. Let's see. Well, let's recuperate our resources real quick. And I think I'm gonna just center the first solar panel in the middle of the vehicle, above the middle wheel, and then the other ones is just gonna be like next to it. It's gonna be fine, because I think we need at least 6 solar panels would be nice. So let me grab this block. Well, yeah, exactly, we'll take that. Then we'll just make it like a spine, you know? The back of this. Oh, there we go. Stood on top of it. I'm not quite sure if I should cut this off. Maybe I should. Something like that. We'll see. Okay, so the center solar panel is gonna be right here. Centered like so. Right? Yes, and then there's one here and one here. Which leaves us with like 2 blocks on either side. That's actually nice. That's perfect. Okay, I can live with that. No? That's fairly nice. There you go. Okay, let's weld that spine. And then I think first weld true weld job are gonna be these solar panels. Okay, let's just pump everything we have into these. And then we need to make 8 times 6 solar panels, which is 48 solar panels. Yeah, we don't have any at the moment. So, 40. There we go. Now we're gonna get 48. Okay. What else do we need? I think we also need a few of these bad boys, I think. Oh yeah, the plushie. What can I do with the plushie? Can I place it down? Yeah, I can. Oh, is it the small block only? Yeah, it is. Okay, the plushie's gonna ride somewhere on this vehicle. That's for sure. I'm not quite sure where it's gonna ride, but we'll figure it out. Okay, let me get some of these. Let me actually also get some of these. Already start on these wheels then. Oh yeah, glass as well. We need 8 bulletproof glass. That's right. That's right. Okay. 38 actually. Yeah, we still need large tubes. We definitely do. Okay. Ooh, production's already finished. Ooh, nice. That's that. Let's produce a few more of these. And actually a few more of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. That's obviously made out of silicon, which we have a ton of, and we didn't really use any yet, so we can easily produce these. But it looks like we need to get a little bit more iron, so we'll probably have to do another drill run. But yeah, we'll deal with that later. Here come the solar panels. There we go. I like it. I like the design. Looks very interesting. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's do a little bit of drilling, shall we? I think right now it's all the way down the well. So we'll... Oh, no, not this one. This one. Let's retract it all the way, and then we'll find a new spot for it to dig down. Right now, the freaking turbine is giving us so much energy over here. Yeah! it's not even drawing any power. It just has enough. It's fine. Okay, let's activate turret control, and then let's lift it and then slowly move it over. Let's say this spot. Down, out of turret control, and then we'll first get our maximum extension back to like 2 meters, and then start extending. And now we can just go piece by piece, and that should hopefully, there we go, give us more resources we desperately need. Right. Oh, we actually have a shit ton of bulletproof glass. I didn't even see that. Okay, we also need displays. Not sure if we have... Yes, we do. We do have displays. Can actually almost finish that off. Construction components. I should use the build planner, shouldn't I? Like, right here is actually the perfect situation to use the build planner for. Let's do that. Okay. Problem obviously is I have to like get this and the wheel into the build planner. It's really annoying. Okay. So that's done. Okay. The only, like, thing that I have to worry about is that if I brake, I might tip forward with this design. I might actually add, like, 2 more wheels here. Like, small, like, you know, training wheels, so we don't tip over too hard. We'll see. We'll have to check how it works when we drive. You know, how crazy it is. Okay, we also need motors apparently, which I'm not sure we have. Motors and small tubes. Trying to empty out my inventory here out of everything we need. Okay. What do we still have in the inventory here? Not quite sure what it does here, honestly, with the... I think I need a lot more. I mean, we can finish off this one, we can finish off that one and that one, that's nice. Oh, okay, actually can finish off a few of these. So we mainly need construction components, small tubes. Yeah, construction components, small tubes, and motors. Let's make like a few more of these. Construction components, small tubes, motors. Let's see how far we get with this. There we go. A lot more construction components. It's actually the one thing that we need the most. By far. Okay. I think it's time to extend our drill bit a bit. So yeah, see, now we're drilling pretty much right next to it again. Getting down a bit here and hopefully getting ourselves a few more resources. So that's good. There we go, a few more. Actually, this side is pretty much finished, so it's only this side over here that we still need to do. And then obviously there's a lot of batteries we need to put on and some other electronic components. Is the sun over there right now? Is that true? Because then the sun is like extremely flat at the moment. I hope it's getting a little bit a better trajectory in a moment, but yeah, crazy. Let's extend some more. Another meter or so. And what do we need? We need more of these. Alright. Also, I do really like these off-road wheels. They're so cool design-wise. I dig them. Also, they make perfect sense on this planet. Okay, now, batteries. We could use the big batteries. We could use, like, 2 big batteries. One here and one here. But to make that, we'll actually have to kind of adapt our mechanism here, or not our mechanism. We have to adapt our strut here, because right now it's in the way. So we'll attach it to the tail end here. To be able to connect this. So, think. Cut these off and work on this normally. Okay, cool. So I would say battery here, battery here. Cool. What other electronic components do we need? We need some cargo containers. I don't want too much because 1, it's gonna weigh me down, and 2, this is not meant to be like a vehicle where I go somewhere and then mine a ton and come back like 5 hours later with a gazillion resources. That's not what this is. This is more like an exploration vehicle, because we don't need too much cobalt, I think, for it to for us to get our next upgrade. So I'm just gonna have a row of these containers here, like so. That's neat. And then there's the ore detector, obviously. Now, I think the way I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna actually break up this spine again, is I'm gonna do it like so, and then the ore detector on top, like that. And then it's also gonna be a beacon, probably, most likely. Are radio components difficult to make? Let's see. Radio. Silicon. No, they're not. Let's make 4 of them then, if they're so easy to make. We'll put that here. What else do we need? I don't think we need too much else. I'm just gonna add this here as like a continuous, again, spine. And I think we'll break this up and do it like so it connects nice and proper. Yeah? Something like that. Fine, that is a good idea. Let me weld this first. And then we're also gonna add just... Yeah, this is more like visually what I'm doing now. This has no functionality whatsoever, but I kind of like this design-wise. I think this one we're gonna break up into... like so. Yeah. Yeah. That works. That works for me. Okay. That. Okay. Or, I'm just thinking, maybe we'll do it the different way around. Put the beacon up here, rather, because that technically makes more sense. And the ore detector down here. Also, even if it's just a little, but technically it's closer to the ground, which is probably a good thing. So yeah. We'll need 1 detector component. Oh, don't tell me this needs cobalt. No, it doesn't. Good. It just needs nickel, which is easy to get for us. Right. That's good. So that's done, technically. Okay, let's just start welding stuff. Right here. Here. Okay, let's see what we have. Oh, we have a lot of things in the queue here that we don't quite finished. Okay. God, that storm is not gonna end today, is it? I'm very sorry if this is visually not as appealing, but yeah, nothing about the weather I can do. Well, I could admin and turn it off, I suppose, but it's not that terrible. But still, it's kind of annoying. Okay. Let's get stuff. Withdrew power cells, so... Oh no, actually I wasn't able to withdraw power cells. I think that's what that meant. So yeah, we need 20 power cells and another computer apparently. Well, 40 power cells, that is. I think we can, yeah, we can easily take another computer and then 1, 2, 3, 40 power cells. Please prioritize this. There you go. What else do we need up here? Oh, another computer and another steel tube. Yeah, I just used it. And another computer. Get some of these. There we go. Beacon has been done. I might also have to install a beacon here, although thing is, since you can pretty much always use GPS coordinates, at least bases don't really need an antenna or a beacon, don't they? So, yeah. We might just slap a freaking GPS down here, just to be sure. Let's extend that drill a bit more. We'll extend it 2 meters right now because we need material. Yeah, we're getting good drillage here. I think the verb is drillage. Is that a verb? Adjective? You know what I mean. We're getting a good depth, is what I meant to say. Nice resource scattering. That is resource scattering how I like it, you know? Just chill, sit back, relax, let it gather for you, essentially. There you go. Now we have a lot of power cells. Also, wait, did we finish the beacon? No, we did not. Just 2 more radio components. And we're almost there with the power cells as well. Let me get some more distance here. Let's extend it to the full 10. All 10 meters. Right down in there. Good. That hopefully should have... Yep, that has given us all the resources we need, I think. A beacon. Could technically work. Well, at the moment it does not. Because, yeah, we do not even have solar power. Is the sun not gonna rise on here? Is that a bit of a problem because I'm at the poles? Ugh, that might be pretty yikes if that's the case. Well, welding the power cells. Okay. I think we can disconnect this bad boy now. It's not gonna crush us, but... Ooh. Wow! Immediately destroyed one of my batteries. Genius. Okay. Well, we'll have to rebuild that one. Shit. That was genius now, wasn't it? Okay. So, first and foremost, turn off. Because, yeah, gonna waste energy. Second, another 20 power cell, please. Pretty please. That was dumb. Frickin' hell, man. I think we need that as well. Battery. There you go. Construction components, yes sir. Still have enough? Hope so. Oh yeah, we made a ton of them, actually. We produce everything. 2 more. Last one. There we go. Okay, hold on. There we go. Now, we're technically on full power. Now, let's see. We have our batteries here. We have the beacon. Broadcast radius, we don't need that much. We need about maybe 5 kilometers. So, there we go. That's a lot less power consumed already. Then, we're going to increase the strength a little bit to 15%. Height offset is good. Speed limit, I think 100 is going to be more than fine for now. Steering, we'll leave it at the moment. This one will increase to 50 meters. Okay. Apparently we have about 45 minutes of... Oh! Jesus, that was weird. Okay. Maybe I'm actually gonna reduce the speed limit to, let's say, 80. Okay. Yeah, let's real quick drop a GPS marker back here, shall we? Just in case. Do we already have a GPS marker? No, this is our space base, right? Space, yeah, there we go. Space, base 2, and base. Okay. We can actually, let's deactivate both of these for now. And now, new from current position. This is Mars base. There we go. And we're gonna give it a different color. We're gonna give it a nice red color. We can pick it out. Okay, let me actually fill up my thingamajigs. Oh, and obviously we'll have to do the most important thing. Actually, there's a few more things I want to do. Mainly, we need this. Because a few lights would be nice. Right? And I tend to use for vehicles these ones. I like them. So let's put... Oh, no, actually, that's not the one I want to do. Let's put these ones, the spotlights. So one here, one there. Then one at the back. Oh, they need bulletproof glass. Really now? Okay. Here you go. And have bulletproof glass. Jeez. There. That's better. But now the most important part. The plushie. It shall ride with us. Oh my god, this is the best. Okay. So our our vehicle is done. Now we just have to ride it towards glory, towards cobalt, towards, you know, our hopeful, resourceful destination. We'll see. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and take care.